Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Learn Swahili with Emma. And today we are going to learn about greetings, Swahili greetings. They are called salamu. Salamu. So please subscribe, you can comment, you can like or share the video. And please let's start with our lesson for the day. On this first template, we have greetings and the responses and also the translation in English. The first greeting is habari. Just listen carefully. Habari. Habari. The response in Swahili, mzuri. Mzuri. So habari means hello, hi, how are you? And mzuri means good. Here we have 4 greetings, which means hi, and the response is good or just fine. These greetings are used in informal settings, and I'll explain each of it. So please again listen to the pronunciation, and then you can repeat after me. Mambo. Mambo. Niaje. Niaje. Sasa. Sasa. Jambo. Jambo. I'm sure most of you have heard the greeting jambo. And just as a quick tip, jambo is used for tourists. So if you want to identify with the locals, we instead say mambo. And the response to all this is good, which is poa. And in the previous template, we had mzuri, which also means good. So yes, these are the greetings. Mambo, poa. Niaje, poa. Sasa, poa. Jambo, poa. Another form of greeting is uko vipi or uko aje, which means how are you? Uko vipi, uko aje. The response is niko poa, I'm good. Unaendeleaje, unaendeleaje. Poa or vizuri. So unaendeleaje, poa. Unaendeleaje, vizuri. So how are you doing? Good. This is another form, very official formal uses. We have hujambo, and the response is sijambo. Hamjambo, hatujambo. I'll repeat again. Hujambo. Repeat after me. Hujambo. The response is sijambo. Hamjambo. The response, hatujambo. So, hello greeting for formal use in the context of like no news, no news. Hujambo is singular, referring to one person, hujambo. And hamjambo when you're referring to multiple people. Another form of greeting, habari ya asubuhi. Habari ya asubuhi. Mzuri, that is the response. Mzuri. Habari ya asubuhi means good morning. And for our response in Swahili, we just say mzuri, which means good. Then we have habari ya mchana. Habari ya mchana. Habari ya mchana. We respond mzuri. Good afternoon. Habari ya jioni. Habari ya jioni. Habari ya jioni. We respond mzuri. Habari ya jioni. Mzuri. Good evening. For the good night, it's like a wish and not a greeting when you're wishing someone a good night or have a good night. So we say usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. So mwema is another way to say good. And usiku is night. Our response is nawe pia. Nawe pia. Which means you too. Nawe is you. Pia is too. I'll say once more. Usiku mwema. Nawe pia. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Kwaheri means goodbye. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Now, let's do a recap of all the greetings we have. Habari. Mambo. Niaje. Sasa. Uko vipi? Or in that case, we also had ukoaje. Unaendeleaje. Hujambo. Hamjambo. Habari ya asubuhi. Habari ya mchana. Habari ya jioni. Usiku mwema. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope it's helpful as we learn the greetings in Swahili and many more videos to come. Please subscribe, like, share your thoughts. Also, if you like to do booking Swahili lessons with me directly, you can contact me via my WhatsApp. Thank you and see you next time. Kwaheri.